Yes, good evening to everybody. The All India Bar Examination. It is a cohort 16th, 2021, and whose exam is going to be on 31st October 2021. Yes, anyone can unmute and read what I put on the screen so that I could know that I am with you and you are with me. Quick.
World
World
Post Day, 9th October.
One person, only one person. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
World Post Day, 9th October. World Post Day is used to celebrate by lots of people to give knowledge about the postal activities done by lots of people to give postal services to many people in the country. It is very important for all the people to get all the information about the postal facilities, which makes every people create a better attitude about the postal services. People who want to transfer their things from one place to another place use the postal service for their betterment.
Yes, it is the central government department at the time. The post and telegraph are in the very much important factor because of the digital world and the explosion of these private companies and corporates. Now the telephone department are almost all in zero state. Okay, let us come to the point now. Exactly that without wasting the time. There is the All Bar examination, 16th court, 2021, the criminal procedure code, multiple choice question. The first question goes in this manner. By the recommendation of the dash, Law Commission report, the current code of the criminal procedure was enacted in 1973 and came into force on number A, 40th and 1st April 1974, B, 41st and 2nd April 1974, and 40th, 2nd April 1974, and 41st, 1st April 1974, because these are the first, which Law Commission report, it is recommended.
Sir, first question answer is D, sir. 41st and 1st April 1974.
Yes, I can appreciate that is the better way of giving the answer, like a Professor Hussain students give the answer in such a style. Let us go to the second question. The report of the Justice Dash, the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013, is one of the biggest amendment to have taken place. A. Chawla Committee, B. Krishna Committee, C. Verma Committee, D. Sharma Committee. Shoot, even though it is wrong, no negative marks.
B, sir, Krishna Committee.
Christian Committee.
The answer is, second question answer is C, Verma Committee. I repeat, second question answer is C, Verma Committee. Now let us go to the third question. At present, Criminal Procedure Code contains dash sections, dash schedules, and dash forms. Here I have given A, B, C, D. Of course, it repeated over here. Mistake A, B, C, D, D's. Can we treat it? 484 and 2 and 56. 484, 356. C, 483, 256. D, 484, 257. Which is the right answer among the A, B, C,
Yes,
D?
484 256. Yes, sir.
A is the right answer. Oh, today very good. I appreciate one after another has given the answer for the questions. I appreciate that. The answer for the third question is A, 484 and 2. 2 is the what? 2 is the schedules and 56 are the forms. Yes, now the fourth question is, what are the objects and functions of the law of criminal procedure code? All the three are true, but one is false. Point out which one is false. A, it stops the machinery for the investigation of crime. B, apprehension of the suspected criminals, collection of the evidence. C, determination of the guilt or innocence of the accused person. D, the determination of the punishment of the guilty. Which one is the right answer for the ABCD? Which is a false to the functions of the criminal procedure code? Shoot. Say.
C, sir.
Next option. Next option.
Sir, D, sir.
D, sir. D, sir.
B,
Sir,
sir.
fourth. Fourth question answer is the D, sir. The determination of punishment of the guilty.
I'm very sorry. It stops. Is it stop? Is it promote the machinery for the investigation of a crime? Can the criminal procedure code stops the machinery for the investigation of a crime? It promotes. It encourages. So right answer is 4A, which is a false. It stops the machinery for the investigation of a crime. It is not the function of this criminal procedure code. That's why it is a false. Is it clear? Say yes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I appreciate. Okay, fifth question is which one among four is not the scope of criminal procedure code? Is as follows. I say not the scope of the criminal procedure code. A, for administrating criminal law in India. B, machinery for investigation of crime, apprehension of the suspended criminals, collection of the evidence. C, maintenance of the concubine or her children. D, determination of the guilt or innocence of the accused person and the determination of the punishment of the guilty. Yes, shoot even though it is wrong. There is no negative marks. I say not the function of the criminal procedure code. I mean, scope of the criminal procedure code. Pass on. I
Yes,
say
sir.
shoot. Is a shoot even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. You are not
Yes,
losing
sir.
the marks. At least you could
Yes, sir.
go. Yes. Say.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, that is a maintenance of the concubine and her children. It is not there. Do you know what is meant by concubine? Anyone? If you don't know, you say pass on. Don't waste the time. Bahubali is not there. Otherwise, you would have to give the answer for the concubine.
Maintenance for
What is meant by concubine? Umpudu katte Telugulo. Umpudu katte Telugulo.
keep.
Extra wife. Are you fine? Not married one. That is called concubine. అదే ఆడోళ్ళకేమో కన్క్యూబైన్ అంటారు, మరి మొగోళ్ళకేమో మిండెడు అంటారు తెలుగులో. పెరామోర్, PARAMOUR, పెరామోర్. Came Nanavati versus state of Maharashtra law. There you can come across the Paramore, and who is the Nanavati is the pilot. Provocation case law that is there. Okay, now let us go to the here. The right answer is 5C, which is not the scope of the criminal procedure. It will not give the maintenance of the concubine and her children. It will give the maintenance for the divorced wife or wife and her children. Okay, sixth question. CRPC consisting of the 484 sections, very good, are further divided into dash chapters and 2 schedules and 56 forms. How many chapters?
Answer is
37,
C.
sir.
Sixth answer is C, sir. 37.
D.
Don't give the answer in chorus. At least one. Okay,
Yes.
one after another say. I don't give.
Answer is C. XXXVII.
Say what is that? Triple X. It is not the triple X rum. I want to say the number.
30,
Yes,
30,
anyone.
37.
I appreciate. Yes, it is the right answer. That is the C. That is the 37 X10 35 and 117 37 Roman capital numeral. That is okay. Now the seventh question is CRPC applies to the whole of India, including the state of Jammu and Kashmir. As the parliament's power to legislate or respect of the state has already recently been amended by abrogating dash which article?
C.
Article
370.
370, sir.
Appreciate.
370, sir.
Everybody knows the answer. Everybody knows the answer. I appreciate for that one article.
This is
370,
maybe
which is
next.
abrogated. Abrogating that article. That's why we don't say now it is applied to the entire India except Jammu and Kashmir. We don't say now because it is included. The special status of the Jammu and Kashmir is abrogated or abolished. Okay, next come to the
Sir-
point of. Yes.
Sir, if any other Other questions will come. We can say Jammu and Kashmir or include all.
Of course, there is a Nagaland also there, Assam territories also there. In the second question, I posed that one. Unless until it's notified in the official gazette, otherwise only few sections are applicable over there, but not all the CRPC will be applicable over there. I will give in the feedback what is that. Okay, let us go to the next question. And yes, the next question, it is there already. It is there. The provision of this code, other than those relating to chapter 8, other than those relating to chapter 8, chapter 10, chapter 11 thereof shall not apply. Means this
Sir,
chapter will apply.
D, sir,
Number
D.
Yeah, answer is,
D, sir.
it is a
D,
answer
correct.
is
Both
D.
B and C. Sir,
Yes,
eighth
both
question answer is
B
the
and C, because I gave already the answer when I was giving the answer. Because there is an exception is the Nagaland and the tribal of the areas in the Assam is there. So the right answer for the eighth question is D. That is the correct is both. Let us see the feedback. But the concerned state government may, by notification, apply such a provision, or any of them, the whole or part of the state of Nagaland, or such tribal areas, as the case may be specified in the notification. So that is an exceptions are there, and that's why the entire thing will not be applicable over there because of the nomadic tribe over there. That's why the special status will be given for those Nagaland. And when you say the Nagaland mother tongue is Nagaland mother tongue is. Nobody is giving the answer. English. Are you hearing me? Say yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Very good, very good. I appreciate it. That's why I get the doubt if you are hearing me or not. Can you read anyone? Ninth question. Not in chorus. Only one person can read.
Criminal
procedure
Okay, చదవండి.
criminal procedure
Criminal
code
Procedure Code is an act number dash of 1974.
Which act number that is criminal procedure code? 1, 2,
Sir,
3, 4.
2 B.
Professor Hussain, students will not say that answer like D.
B, sir. 2.
Yes, the ninth question
Sir.
answer is B, 2. That is the act number 2 of the 1974. That is the right answer. Okay, 10th question. The substantial law defines are consisting of all but not one among 4. What is that? Rights, duties, trespass, liability of the persons. One is
Trespass.
not connected with the substantial law.
Answer is C. Answer is C. Trespass.
Appreciate Anjanelu Kakani. That is the right answer. Trespass is an offense. Both is a civil wrong as well as the criminal wrong. It is not the consisting of the substantial lay. It is there. That's why the 3 will be connected, but not the 1. Yes, 11th question. All judicial magistrates shall work under the control of the dash of the respective states. A. District Court. B. District and Session Court. C. High Court. D. Supreme Court.
District code, sir.
Code, sir.
See,
Answer is C.
please read the question once again.
Answer is C. High Court.
Appreciate Anjanelu Kakan is the right. High Court, because all judicial magistrates shall work under the control of the respective states, I said. Respective states, that means High Court will come into the picture. Okay,
Actually, I
nice.
have one doubt actually.
Yes, please
there
ask
are-
me.
Yeah, there are 484 sections and 2 schedules and 56 forms. And also you mentioned
And
like
37 chapters. 37 chapters.
Yeah, 37 chapters, 484
Sections.
and, 484 sections.
2 schedules.
56 forms and 37 chapters. And how many acts are there, sir?
Which acts?
No, the previous question, like act number of 1974. One question.
See, every act, there is a number is there. That is in the parenthesis, it will be given. Sometimes it's below the main title, it will be given. If you happen to see IPC, it's the 1860 Act, but the act number is, if I not be mistaken, 45. Check it. Shall I will show you. See, I can show you there. See, IPC, Indian Penal Code. I say decline. Indian Penal Code. See, they are now typed. See, when you type this Indian Penal Code, and you will find, see here the Indian Penal Code is there, but the Act number also comes over there. Act number also comes, and Act is, and somewhere I will show you. The Act number also comes over there. IPC. Let me check here. Yes, it is here.
Sir, here,
See,
sir. Here,
Indian
sir.
Penal
Act number
Code,
45.
Act number 45, and ID number, enforcement date is 6/10/1960, and the enactment date is 18/16/1060. Everything will have its number, that is a act of, on the particular year, so many acts have come into the picture. That is the meaning. That is the act number. That's why they will give it. Okay, shall I proceed?
Yes.
Okay, next. Which one of the following is correct? See, which one of the following is correct, I say. Means all three are wrong, only one is correct, it seems. Is it not? Which one of the following is correct? Okay. CRPC provides a uniform set of criminal codes throughout the territory of India by conferring the jurisdiction, power, extradition, and function. A. B. CRPC provides a set of criminal codes throughout the territory of India by conferring jurisdiction, power, and function. And CRPC provides a uniform set of criminal codes throughout the territory of India by conferring the jurisdiction, power, and function. And the D. CPC provides a uniform set of criminal codes throughout the territory of India by conferring jurisdiction, power, and function. Among the A, B, C, D, which one is correct?
He is correct, sir.
Repeat.
Answer is B.
D.
CRPC provides set of criminal codes throughout the territory of India by conferring jurisdiction, power, and function.
No.
Answer is C.
Uniform set of criminal codes. C. CRPC provides a uniform set of criminal code throughout the territory of India by conferring the jurisdiction, power, and function. That is the right answer. But if you happen to see the A, I add the extradition there. Extradition is not there. In the B, I removed the uniform, and the only set of criminal codes are there. But in the D, I intentionally removed the R, that is the CRPC. I did not say CPC, I put it over there. Is it clear? Say yes. Is it clear?
Yes.
Very
Yes,
good.
clear.
Appreciate.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we will see the jury system is abolished only after the case of A. Babulal Chokkani versus Emperor. Next, State of Bombay versus the United Motors India Limited. Then K. Nanavati versus State of Maharashtra. D. The Queen versus Visheshwar Prasad. In which case?
C, sir. KM Nanavati versus State of Maharashtra.
That is the way of saying. Question number 13, the right answer is C. KM Nanavati versus State of Maharashtra. And Nanavati is the wife paramour. He killed it. It is not amount to the provocation. It is a planned one. After the.
Sir, I followed that, sir.
Yes.
Sir. It was a
Following day he killed.
Sir, sir,
Not the day where he red-handed he cut out the paramour.
sir, sir,
Yes, I'm hearing you. Please speak.
sir, this Nanavati case, I followed it. R.K. Karanjia, totally has brought totally.
Yes.
Series.
Yeah, there is a film Akshay Khanna. No, Akshay Kumar acted in it. Rustum, I think.
Actually, how a journalist can take it as example. Because
Okay. Because I think there may be deviation. There may be no deviation. I don't know exactly.
fellow, the jeep is coming, fallen before the jeep.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
What happened? The vehicle is there. They have taken photograph. Next
It's okay,
issue
but
that-
our concern here is the jury system is no more after that case law. Number one. Number two, it is not a provocation. This is our case of interest here is. Okay, let us go to the 14th question. CRPC abolished the appointing of the honorarium dash and the justice of the peace. What is the dash? Magistrate, special magistrate, jury, special jury. CRPC abolished the appointing of honorarium dash and justice of peace. ABCD, which is the right answer, even though it is wrong, don't matter, you can shoot it.
Special
You can say
magistrate, sir.
B, special
B,
magistrate.
sir.
Magistrate.
it is the right answer for the 40th question is A, magistrate. Honorary magistrate is abolished and justice of peace is abolished. Intentionally kept the special magistrate, jury and special jury. Number 15th, the judicial magistrate is a metropolitan cities are names as cosmopolitan magistrate, metropolitan magistrate, special magistrate, honorary magistrate.
B, sir.
B,
Metropolitan
magistrate.
It is a very much self-explanatory question because judicial magistrate in metropolitan cities are named as, are known as, it is a B, metropolitan magistrate. You are not supposed to take that much time. You should immediately say before I could finish the 4 options. Okay, 16th question. In CRPC, some special provisions such as dash have been made for protecting the interests of the accused. Section 313, 314 and 164.1. B, 313, 314, 164 clause 2, I mean subsection 2, section 1, 313, 314, 164 clause 3, subsection 3, or the D, 313, 314 and 164.4. Which is the right answer? Special provisions are added over there to protect the interest of the accused. Should, doesn't matter, you make a trial. Sometimes trials also hit you. It's the bullseye. Anyone try? No native marks.
C, sir.
No, the right answer is section B.
Yes, sir.
B, section 313, 314, 164 and subclass 2, subsection 2. That is the answer. That is the B is the right answer for that one. And 17th question, which one of the statement is false? I say false. A, under CRPC, every person is entitled to hear the fair trial and hearing by independent and important tribunal. B, the accused is presumed to be innocent until the charges are proved. C, the accused to be having a right to be represented by his counsel. D, the accused has a right to cross-examine the witnesses of opposite party. Which one is the false one?
D, sir.
See, this question, see here. Something I made a mistake here, I believe. Okay. Let me check it. Yes.
17th question, C, sir. Answer is the C. The accused to be having to be a right of represented by his counsel.
Is it a false?
Is correct.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
it's a correct
Actually,
one.
for
Answer
Yeah.
is D.
which one of the statement is false, sir?
CRPC, every person is entitled.
No, and I think I made the mistake. I think everything is very much relevant here to me. The accused is presumed to be innocent, yes, definitely, until the charges are proved. The accused to be having right to be represented by his counsel, yes, they are having the right to represent it. The accused has a right to cross-examine, yes, the witnesses opposite party, because by the permission of the court. I think everything is right. It's not a false statement. Because CRPC, every person is entitled to hear the fair trial, yes, and hearing by independent and important tribunals. Okay. Yes, it is there. I think there is no false at all in this one. No false. Everybody, everything is right. So I committed a mistake here. So Here, no false statement. Everybody is right statement. Agreed? See, you can question yourself whether it comes or not. Then you can make it. First, I thought making a false one, but I thought I changed. I did not change it. It seems that's because when I read it, then I found everything is very much clear here. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
What
sir.
is the answer?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now let us go to the 18th question. Supreme Court decided some important guidelines in respect of the accused in the case of Dash, Ganesh Rai and others, C. Vijay Shankar, T.K. Basu, Myakala Subbamma.
DK Basu versus State of Bengal.
C, sir.
Beautiful, beautiful, Bahubali. That is the right of the case law. D.K. Basu versus State of Bengal. At the time, the accused given the having every right to know why he was arrested and what is the things going to happen to him. The accused rights are established over there and the guidelines are given over there. And one cannot arrest it without a warrant. And I should say to them that why he was arrested, on what ground that he was arrested. Okay, that's our thing which is given DK Basu versus State of West Bengal. Then 19th question, which one is a false statement? I think I did a very correctly here. Okay, free legal aid provisions is made if the accused is a poor and cannot afford the cost of the litigation. B, in petty cases, the accused is sent by post that is equally and pay the fine which was in the summons he need not to appear before the court. And C, legal representatives of the parties have been given right to compound the case without the permission of the court after the death of the parties. And the D, legal representatives of the parties have been given a right to compound the case with the permission of the court after the death of the party. Now you can tell me, because here I committed a mistake when I was making it. It is a C. Yes? Yes.
He.
You are right. You are right. The answer is very right. It is not accepting. Okay, now it is accepted. C is the right answer. Because without the permission, no. With the permission. With the permission, the legal representative after death, the somebody will report it. But the C is the right answer. That is a false statement for the 9th question. I appreciate. See, if you closely watch them, then I'm sure your IQ will definitely say that that is the wrong answer or this is the right answer. Okay, offenses punishable with the imprisonment for dash years will be tried as a summons cases. 1, 2,
B
3,
two.
4.
Two, sir.
B.
B two.
The right
B, sir.
answer is B, 2 years. The right answer for the 20th question is 2, B, 2 years. Will be tried as a summon cases. Now let us see the 21st question. Dash are also given the power to exercise the revisional jurisdiction in addition to the High Court of respective state. Subcourt, Court of Sessions, First Class Magistrate Court, or Revisional Court.
Sir, B, the Court of Sessions.
Very good, very good. I appreciate it. The Court of Session is also given the power to exercise the revisional jurisdiction in addition to the High Court of respective states. That is the right answer is B, the Court of Sessions. Next, 22nd question. The state can file an appeal for dash of sentence. A, increase. B, escalate. C, enhancement. D, maximize.
Maximize.
D, maximize.
See, terminology you should use, very appropriate terminology can be used over there.
Enhancement, sir. See.
Enhancement is the appropriate terminology. Kumar Ramesh is right. Of course, one will also be right. Okay, it is the enhancement of the sentence. For instance, there is a hike in the price, we can say. Which one is right? Hike in the price is right, or rise in the price is right, or escalation of the price is right. Anyway, it will be a again debatable question again. Let us come to the next point, because the appropriate word should be used over there. That is very important. When you file for the compensation, you go to the High Court because you are not happy with the compensation which is given by the lower court. For that enhancement of the compensation, that you approach to the appeal. Okay, 23rd question. The Supreme Court in July last year had agreed in the principle that serving the notices and summons on person through the instant messaging service such as Dash would be legally valid. Among the four, Which one of the following is not correct? WhatsApp, Telegram, by post, in addition to emails.
D. These
B Telegram.
WhatsApp, sir.
WhatsApp.
See,
Yes, sir.
sir.
because of the
Yes, sir.
corona, instant messages is a postcard is an instant message.
No, sir.
Then okay, by the postcard also the summons or notices will be served. That is a different issue. But the pandemic season, instant replies means only the WhatsApp and Telegram, but not exactly connected by post and emails are there because they are the instant messaging platforms, not the postcard. అరే వాడు పోస్ట్ కార్డ్ రా వాడు అంటారు. ఎందుకు అంటారండి? అంత బట్ట వేడ పెడుతుంది అన్నట్టు వాడు పోస్ట్ కార్డ్ ఎన్వలప్ అంటే దాచి పెడతాడు, సీక్రెట్ ఉంటుంది. Okay, let us come to the point. 24. An appeal by the state against the orders of the acquittal can be filed only after obtaining dash of the respective high courts of states. A. The assent. B. The leave. C. The permission. D. The consent. Appropriate word should be used over there.
D.
Consent.
D.
Consent.
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 Appropriate word should be used over there. Special leave permission.
Yes.
Leave permission will say no in the when going to the appeal. So the right answer is
Assent, sir. Yes, sir.
B. The leave of the respective
sir.
high court of states. Assent అనేది president కి వర్తిస్తుందండి. You can take the assent from the president and permission with the court for filing anything. And consent, when you invite somebody else, you will take the consent of him whether he will be a chief guest for the function or not. Okay, let us come to the 25th question. Which one of these statement is a false in trial procedure? I say false. A. The court has power to record the evidence by dictation to the stenographer. B. The trial may be continued even without the presence of the accused when the accused persistently disturbs the proceedings. C. It will not be necessary to read out the judgment in the court when a copy is served to the accused. And D. The committal proceeding in the sessions cases has been promoted. I give the feedback also down. I don't know whether you saw it or not. False statement is
D.
1, A, B, C, right. D is wrong because
D.
committal proceeding in the sessions cases has been promoted, not promoted. The committal proceeding in the session cases has been abolished, not promoted. So the false statement is D. Okay, let us come to the next case law. A civil case can be filed even though the criminal case is in progress, and it is not barred when the criminal case is in progress, was decided in the case of Meenu Dewan case law, Pramod Kumar Manglik and etc. or B.S. Rawat, assistant collector, or D. Shakuntala Devi versus state of UP. Do you know that what is the question? When a criminal case is going on over there, still you can file a civil case. Even the criminal case is acquitted, but the civil case could be continued. That's why we say it is not bar. Even a criminal case is there. For instance, motor accident case is there. And the state government, the police will file a case as a criminal case. But being a victim, you will file a case for the under motor vehicle accident, rash and negligent driving, plus making the party of the IPC 328 and get the compensation from the LIC. So that is a civil. So both will run simultaneously. So that is decided in the case of Shakuntala Devi versus state of UP. 27th question. Violation of the procedural provisions does not result in a denial of the fair hearing or cause a prejudice to the parties. The same has to be treated as a directory, notwithstanding the use of the word shall in the case of dash. Which case law? Violation of the procedural provision does not result in the denial of the fair hearing. It is decided in the case of Shivaji Singh versus Nagendra Tiwari. It is decided in that case law. It is a landmark case law. Speedy trial is a fundamental right of an accused. It was decided in the case of. It's a fundamental right. Speedy trial is. In which case law it is decided? Yes, Ramakrishna versus Ramareddy. In that case law, it said speedy trial is a fundamental right of an accused. It was decided in the case of S. Ramakrishna versus Ramareddy. 29th question. Can anyone can unmute and read? Can anyone can unmute and read the 29th question?
In case of dash, cost may be awarded by party seeking adjournment, including the prosecution. A. Adjection. B. Disposal. C. Adjournment. D. Decree.
Which is the appropriate word over there? A, B, C, D. A is
Sir,
adjudication.
in case of disposal, cost may be awarded by party seeking adjournment.
No, second option. In case of adjournment, see, in case of adjournment, cost may be awarded by parties seeking the adjournment, including the prosecution.
Case
The
of
29th
adjournment.
question, right
Yes,
answer
sir.
is adjournment. If you want to take the adjournment, you have to pay the cost. Yes, that is the answer. Okay, 30th question. The following procedure law is false. A, the Law of Limitation Act. B, the Court Fee Act. C, the Suits Valuation Act. D, none of the above. None of them is
D.
false.
Yes, sir.
Already I have given the feedback. Somebody has seen it. None of the above. Because all are procedure laws. The Code
D,
of
sir.
Civil Procedure Code 1998 is the procedure law. Code of Criminal Procedure is the procedure law. Indian Evidence is the procedure law. Limitation Act is the procedure law. The Code of Fee Act is the procedure law. The Suits Violation Act is the procedure law. All are examples of the procedure law in India. Match the following part 1 theme and its relevant case or name of the decided case under the part 2. Sorry, Vidhan Guda Adugtara, sir. Yes. Issuance of the warrant under section 82 subsection 1 and 82 subsection 4. A. Bail under section 438. 3. Constitutional validity of the under section 173 clause subsection 3. And 4. Awarding of the death penalty. In the right hand side, Balwant Singh versus State of Punjab, Mukund Lal versus Union of India, Avinash versus State, Tirumali Kumar versus State. Now you compare it. Which one is for whom? 1D 2C3A 4B, 1D 2C3B 4A, 1C 2D3B 4A, 1B 2C3D 4A. Which one is the right answer?
Sir, B, 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A.
Appreciate, Bahubali. Appreciate. That is the B is the right answer. See, awarding the death penalty is Balwant Singh versus State of Punjab. Constitution validity is Mukund Lal versus Union of India. Bail is Avinash versus State. Issuance the warrant under section 82, subsection 1, 82, subsection 4 is Tirumali Kumar versus State. That is the right answer. Again, the next question is match the following part 1 theme and its relevant case or name of the decided case under part 2. And part 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Criminal revision application. 2. Rape. DNA must be under section 53, capital A, CRPC. 3. Preventive detention. There is a copy to be supplied over there in the translated language. And 4. Scope of the discharge under the section 227. The right hand side, Ramki versus State of Tamil Nadu. And Sajjan Kumar versus CBI. And PP Prasad versus Lieutenant Commander and others. And Rich Paul Karra versus State. Now you compare it from part 1 to part 2. The theme is given in the part 1 and the case law is given in the part 2. 1B2D 3A4C, 1D2C 3A4B, 1C2D 3B4A, 1C2D 3A4B. Haraka.
D, sir.
Repeat.
Sir, it's 1C, 2D, 3B, 4.
C,
One
sir.
second.
C, sir.
C, correct.
No, sir, it's 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B, D.
C, sir.
No, the answer is 1B, 2D, 3A, 4C. That means A.
Shit.
The answer is 1B, 2D, 3A, 4C. Now here you can see the feedback. Criminal revival application, P.P. Prasad and Lieutenant Commander and others. Rape DNA must be under Section 53, capital A CRPC, Richpal Kharra versus State. Preventive detention, not supplying the copy of the order in translated language, Ramki versus State of Tamil Nadu. And the scope of discharge under the Section 227 is Sajjan Kumar versus CBI. Now let us see the saving of inherent power of the High Court, not in this code, shall be deemed to limit or affect the inherent power of the High Court to make such orders as may be necessary to give effect to any order under this code, or to prevent the abuse of the process of any court, or otherwise to secure the ends of the justice with section of the CRPC. Which section deals about the CRPC? I read the total section here, and that is a very much important section in the CRPC. Which one it is? 481, 481, 482, 483. Very important section of the CRPC, where the many case laws are there.
C, sir.
It is a C. Appreciate. It's a 482, where it is the current form has been several changes with the changing times and needs of the hour by the guidelines framed by the Supreme Court in several its judgment. The courts are constrained to do so, as the said section, which give the wide power to the High Court, was highly abused by the law practitioner. Section 482 CRPC has made its space in the CRPC in order to enable the High Court to provide the proper justice and at the same time to curb the filing of the fictitious complaint just to avenge the personal grudges. So 482 has played the important role in this juncture. And let us see the 34. Yes, all the case concerned with the section 482. I prepared very easily this question. I don't know whether you could do it or not. All the cases concerned section 482 except one case law shown below. One case law not connected to section 482. I am sure that you could know the answer. If you are my student, law of tort, definitely you will give the answer.
B, sir.
State of
Haryana versus Bhajanlal.
Bhim Singh versus State of Jammu.
Sir,
Yes.
answer C, sir.
It is 34C. It is not connected with the 482 because it is a law of tort case law. It is the Bhim Singh versus State of Jammu and
Bhim Singh,
Kashmir. It is the article habeas corpus case law. It is the false imprisonment case law. It is the state liability case law. Vicariously, the state would be held liable without any reason or without any justification. Held for the 4 days, the Bhim Singh, who is an MLA, going to participate in the assembly sessions. 35. Match the following from the part 1 and the explanation on the part 2. Ad valorem, ejustem generis, mutatis mutandis, nullus commodum. In the right hand side, no man can take the advantage of his own wrong. B, the necessary changes. C, of the same class or kind. D, to the value or based on value. Now the question comes. 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A, 1D, 2B, 3C, 4A, 1D, 2C, 3A, 4A, 4B, 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A. Which one is the right answer?
C, 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B.
Second option.
2B, 3C, 4A.
Sir, yes, sir. 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A.
Right, it's and you're right, you are right. It is a 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A. Feedback, you could see it here. Ad valorem, to the value or based on value. Ejustem generis, of the same kind or same class. Mutatis mutandis, the necessary changes you can make it out. Nullus commodum, no man can take the advantage of his own wrong. So 1D through 2C, 3B, 4A is the right answer for the 35th question in the MCQ. The last question, 36th question is, match the following word in part 1 with the part 2 meaning. Number 1, parimetria. 2, parincurium. 3, quid pro quo. 4, res integra. In the right hand side, only 5 minutes are left. Okay, an entire thing, an entirely new or untouched matter. B, what for what or something for something. C, by mistake. D, of the same matter and the same subject. 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B, 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A, 1B, 2C, 3D, 4A, 1D, 2B, 3C, 4A.
B, sir.
Appreciate. Ramakrishna. It is the answer is B, 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A. Let us see the feedback. Can anyone read the feedback?
Pari materia of the same matter on the same subject, per incurium, by mistake, quid pro quo, what for what, or something for something. Res integra, an entire thing, an entirely new or untouched matter.
Yes, that is the terminology that you use it when you are using the CRPC mostly in the cases. So today I prepared the total 36. These are the entirely different of my own. I imagined and I prepared it. I did not take from any multiple choice questions. Please read the multiple choice question when you purchase any books from the other so that you could see some of them. But I covered those things which are you don't find in the multiple choice question which will be available in the market. So that was the thing which I prepared it. So by your preparation, my selfish end is also there. I can enrich myself and I can get the good advantage of my language also, including the pronunciation and including the speed. And this will make me to serve you because I believe in it. The slogan is Anni Dhanamula Kanna Vidyadhanam Minna. That I believe it with that enthusiasm, with that inspiration that I am dealing the classes. And tomorrow class is, sir, we don't know, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Cyberla. Thank you, sir.
Cyberla. How do you know it? Because it's already here.
Sir,
I
confusion.
will show you. I will. No. Cyberla is right. I'll already put it over here. Check it. What
Confusion law
document?
over.
Yes.
Sir, confusion is there. I think.
Yes. Here it is there. Constitution is over. See, we completed now. Administrative law 3 marks completed. Alternative dispute redressal, including the arbitration act 4 marks completed. Code of civil procedure 10 marks completed. Comparative law 2 completed, and constitutional law 10 completed. And today criminal procedure code 10 marks we completed. And tomorrow is a cyber law. Even though it's a 2 marks, doesn't matter. But try to participate as much as you can because even a surrounding mark kada. No. It makes the difference. Even 1 mark makes the difference. 0.5 make the difference. Not a small difference. 200 to 300 people will come into the 0.5. So don't underestimate. Don't say that, why it is the 2 marks. No. You try it sometimes that you will get it. That's my point. So with this, I would like to stop it. After the cyber law, then we'll go to the environmental law. Again, the 2 marks question. But make the encouragement to each and everybody to participate in it so that before I could finish my 4 multiple choice questions, you should be in a position to give the answer. That spirit that you have to develop it. That is my intention. Yes. So with this, I would like to say thank you for your patient listening. And
Thank you,
person
sir.
that, yes. Because even a person who is having the good spirit, he can, hours together will deliver the lecture. But the patience of the person who is receiving it, he should have the broad patience. Otherwise, his concentration will be out. That's the reason that I will ask him it in the middle that you have to read it or you have to give the prompt reply. Even though it is wrong, it doesn't matter because there is a negative marks. Suppose if there are negative marks, I believe that only 10% to 15% result will come out. The reason is he can ask the question in any angle. In any angle, he can ask the question. Like that one I have shown to you today is, what is the Criminal Procedure Act? Act number. But generally that you will say 1973, and you know when it is effective, and you know when it is commenced, you know when the president give the assent, and when you know the what act they repeal it. But if they ask what is the act number on that particular year, then it is a very tough question. One cannot imagine also. But I saw in the question paper, if they ask the act number. So that is the reason that I put the question